PECC2's imprint has exceeded the concept of an energy project consulting business in Vietnam by seizing opportunities and consistently developing differences in less than 40 years. Based on its core consulting strength, PECC2 has developed and formed a business field with three main areas: consulting in power project developments, business, invest in power source projects. In the field of consulting, PECC2 is a strong brand in surveying and consulting on the construction of energy projects. Adapting to new technology, PECC2 is a market leader in the research and application of technological solutions to project implementations, ranging from underground cables, gas insulator substations, and underground stations to sea lines and various types of power plants using gas turbines, pumped storage hydropower, offshore wind power, and green hydrogen production. Recognizing the global trends of information technology and Industrial Revolution 4.0, PECC2 has established the Digital Capability Center to provide BIM and Scan-to-BIM design services, thereby contributing to providing delivery of high-quality digital products and services to clients. PECC2 has digitized 5 Scan-to-BIM projects and applied BIM in asset management and construction maintenance, provided BIM design and implementation for 3 power plant projects, provided BIM design and implementation for over 30 power network projects. PECC2 is presently the top brand name in project digitization, with experience applying BIM to the design, construction, operation, management, and maintenance of high-tech energy projects. PECC2 DCC has a staff of approximately 100 skilled personnel and advanced technology. For the business activities, PECC2 has achieved significant achievements in terms of size and service quality, including EPC contractor, mechanical manufacturing and equipment production, and power plant operation management. Starting as a member of the EPC complex in the Vinh 4 and Vinh 4 extension thermal power plant projects, PECC2 has expanded its EPC services to include renewable energy projects totaling over 450 megawatts. Tan Thuan Wind Power Plant Project is an example of this, as it is the first nearshore wind power project where PECC2 performs the role of main EPC contractor. Coming to Hao Jiang Biomass Power Plant, PECC2 once again affirmed its capacity as an EPC contractor and operation manager. This is the largest biomass energy plant using rice husk fuel and is expected to come into operation for the first time in Vietnam. PECC2 is also the first unit in Vietnam to invest in a large-scale integrated battery energy storage system (BESS) and a pioneer in applying advanced energy storage technologies with smart grid. To be able to carry out projects during the construction phase as a contractor implementing EPC contracts, PECC2 is gradually converting from an EPC management model to EPCM according to standards and international guidelines. PECC2 has researched and applied modern technology platforms in the digital environment to perform this management work. In the field of mechanical manufacturing and equipment production, PECC2 has mastered the technology of designing and manufacturing auxiliary systems for power plants, coal and mechanical processing and manufacturing for energy projects, in addition to traditional products for power grid and civil projects. Regarding renewable energy, especially solar energy, PECC2 has provided structure and installed the entire solar power plant with a total capacity of more than 350 megawatts, installed and used 2.5 megawatts rooftop solar power for the purpose of generating and supplying to the electrical market. PECC2 has also been involved in the manufacturing and installation of biomass power plants, such as fuel delivery systems, warehouses, and lifting equipment, as well as the partial production and installation of the boiler, steam turbine generator building, and other power plant infrastructure. PECC2's power operation and management service manages and operates a total capacity of over 3,400 megawatts, generating more than 350 million kilowatt hours of electricity monthly. PECC2 prioritizes O&M services as one of the critical business areas, capitalizing on and advancing the company's strengths to become the top company in providing O&M services for power plants, transformers, and power transmission lines. PECC2 is also equipped with a remote power plant management and operation control center, as well as a simulator center with an OTS simulation operation training system, which aids in the optimization of operating modes and the reduction of expenses. Moving on to the investment, PECC2 focuses on clean energy projects such as small hydropower, solar power, wind power, biomass power, and gas fuel power plants. In particular, PECC2 participates in capital contribution, executes full turnkey EPC contract, and O&M services maximizes consulting capacity, and constantly expands the service value chain that PECC2 contributes to each project. Not only focusing on developing production and business, but also believes training to increase the quality of human resources, discovering and deploying new energy technology and digital technology to be strategic tasks. As a result, to encourage the continuous promotion of innovative ideas, PECC2 has organized scientific and applied research projects, specialized electrical system reports, and seminars and forums, as well as actively training to improve the qualifications of personnel through many flexible and diverse platforms.